It's all about unity. Now listen up. I said it multiple times. I will say it a million times more. It doesn't matter what race you have, what culture you have, what religion you have, where you're from. Da da da. It does not matter. Those differences don't make us any different. It's about unity, about us uniting. It's our world. It's God's world. We're supposed to be here in peace and love. We're supposed to grow. We're supposed to flourish. We're supposed to shine. We're supposed to help each other. We're supposed to help each other grow, get better, evolve. We're not here to down talk on each other. We're not here to hate on each other. We're not here to make the next person feel any less. No, this is demonic. What we're doing is angelic, is divine. Spreading love, spreading kindness, embodying those things, not just talking about it, really embodying it, spreading it to the next person, on the camera, off the camera. Because we are here to love. We are here to laugh, to have a good time. This human experience is a crazy ass motherfucking ride. It's a crazy ass adventure. And that's the beauty of it. But they try to corrupt that shit. They made this shit whack. They made this shit demonic. They made this shit evil. We will not tolerate that. We will not tolerate that. We will fight. We'll fight for us. We'll fight for the next generation, for all the generations after. So all the trauma we had to endure and experienced and all the pain we felt, the next generations don't have to feel. That they can come into this world and they play their role in society however they want to, bring value to society in the way they see fit, where they don't have to spend the first 20, 30, 40 years of their life fucking working on all the trauma that had happened in their childhood. That's why we're here. That's why my mission to change the world, and we are changing the world, is so important. It's not about me, it's not about you, it's about us. And the only way we're gonna do that is by coming together, by uniting. I believe in humanity. I know so many humans are lost, trust me. I know so many humans are lost, it sometimes even shocks me. But we cannot look at that. We have to understand they have been trained to be this way. From small age, they were put in those type of weird ass positions where the growth they was gonna have was gonna be in a toxic way. That's why we're here to make a change. We're gonna do it with love, compassion, and kindness by uniting. I love you. We're doing this shit together and we're doing this shit God's way. Let's go.